Hi everyone, this is a very quick tutorial on how to register and verify your website with Google Webmaster Tools. If you've had problems doing that before or this is your first time with this, don't worry about it. It's a very simple process. So I'm going to basically take a website. That's this website right here. It's just a sample one that I made. It's a WordPress website, by the way. So most people make their websites with WordPress, and it's actually easiest to register with Google on if you have a WordPress site. But anyway, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the URL by clicking up here. That highlights the URL. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to go to Webmaster Tools. I'm going to click on Search Console. Once I do that, I'm going to click on Add a Property, and it's going to ask me to actually put in the URL of that website. So I just pasted it, and there it is. I click on Add. Now once I click on Add, it's going to ask me to verify that I actually own this website. So I have to actually log into the website and then go from there. But it's very simple. They actually have a number of different methods you can use. But I'm going to click on alternate methods since that's the one that I usually go with, and I'm going to click on HTML tag, and I'm going to use the first option right here where it says copy the meta tag below and paste it into your site's homepage. It should be in the head section before the first body section. Now that might not make any sense to you, but don't worry, I'll show you what that means in a second. So this little code over here, that's what you want to put into your website. So I'm going to click on that. That's going to cause the whole thing to highlight. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to go back into my website. Now what I want to do is I want to go into the dashboard or the back office of my website. I'm going to click on dashboard. I'm going to click on appearance. I'm going to go into editor, and once I'm in editor, I'm going to basically, it's just a little, that pop-up that you just saw is a little warning about careful by changing the code, it could screw up the website. Don't worry about that, just click on that you understand. Then I'm going to go into theme header right here. Underneath theme files, you're going to find this thing that says theme header, or underneath it says header.php. Click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to get a bunch of code that basically shows what your website is about. But all you need to do is find the area where it says head right here. Just like it said over here, copy the meta tag and paste it into your site's homepage. It should be in the head section, so that's what I'm looking for. There it is, that head section right there. Now there's another one over here, but it actually has a forward slash. You don't need that. That's the end. You need the one that doesn't have the forward slash, which is the one I highlighted here. So then you're going to want to click after the forward bracket, and you're going to click on enter. That's going to cause a space to occur, and then you're going to basically right click and paste. That's going to take the code that you took from Google Webmaster Tools. It's going to put it into your website. Once you do that, you click on update file, and once the file updates, which it did, you're going to go back into Google Webmaster Tools, and you're going to click at the very bottom underneath the code. It's going to say verify. You click on verify, and it says congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership to this website. Now that's it. That's all that it did. Basically, all that Google did was it just gave you a code to prove that you are the owner of the website. All right, now you click on continue, and once you're there, this is going to basically be the dashboard of your website. Now it's not going to show you any stats on how the website is doing just yet. You need to give it like a week or two to marinate all the results, and then it'll show you how your website is doing, what keywords it's showing up under. You can do a lot of things such as index your site a lot faster on Google. That's a video and topic for another time, but that's the whole tutorial. But in a nutshell, if you're interested in knowing why you want to register with Webmaster Tools and what the benefits are, real quick, the first one is Google will know and understand your website more deeply, and this will allow it to have better SEO results. The second thing is it'll report on what it sees on your site, how it's doing in the search engine, so you know what keywords it's ranking for, traffic numbers that you're getting. It's going to give you really good reports, and it's all free stuff. It's going to show you where you have holes in your website, where you have broken links, for instance, if you have any issues, if there's something that you need to take care of. And by checking out these problems, by seeing them and then fixing them, it'll actually improve your rankings. You can also submit what's known as a sitemap to Google, and that'll help index your pages and post your content a lot faster. And you can also manually use this thing called the fetch option to index and rank your content on Google faster. And overall, this is just a great tool to improve your website's SEO. Real quick before I end this video, I'm going to go into one of my websites to show you how it is doing. I'm going to go into this one right here. So you can see these search analytics over here. I click on that, and it's going to show me impressions, keywords I'm popping up under. It's just a really great tool to have. And basically, this tutorial that I just provided with you will show you how to take your website and register it on Google Webmaster Tools. If you have any questions about that, please ask me below this video, and I'd be more than happy to answer that. Thank you for watching this video.